So guys, welcome. Let's take a look at USDJPY. So now, if you are new and you don't subscribe, make sure you do so. Click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, and also make your comment. Let's watch out for it. Now, take a look at this USD JPY. If you were following this channel, I think I did one last. Was it not on the 11th or on the 10th? I think I did a video on the 11th or on the 10th. You can go back to confirm it. We actually predicted this move on USDJPY, right? That we said that this price will actually break above our resistance level and push it up, which it has actually done so. Now to be able to predict the move for the next day, which is on the 14th, I want us to actually zoom it out first, starting with this daily time frame. There's only one movement that is being made on this USDJPY. Clearly can see it is actually a bullish move, right? The price is actually an uptrend move. So this price is moving high, right? Clearly you can see it. And now I've included 10 period moving average. Those of us who know how to treat 10 period moving average, we all know once the price is above it, we have to go long. But if it is below it, we have to short it, right? So we clearly can see that this price is above 10 period moving average. So we have to go long, right? So there's clearly, you can see it on this daily time frame. We are on a bullish move. Price is going long. But if you notice something, right? Once we had a bullish move here, then we got a pullback, right? Then again another bullish move occurred, right? Then we saw this pullback, and again another bullish move occurred. At this level here, we had a pullback, but I think for some days with kind of range within this area, if we were following this channel consistently, we would have seen how we actually went to the top, came to the bottom, went to the top and came to the bottom. If we were following it consistently before we predicted this breakout move and it happened. Now if you take a look at this movement here on this place where we actually range, take a look at this movement. You saw that price came to this level, it dropped, it came to the same level again, dropped, came to the same level, dropped, came to the same level before it broke out of it. Now we would also highlight this low level here. So I think it is more visible on the 4-hour time frame. Price was actually ranging within this area for some days. We can see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. About 20 days, right? This price has actually been ranging. That is close to 3 weeks, right? So price has actually been ranging for, I think more than even 3 weeks. So price has been ranging within here. Then we finally had a breakout. So now I want to tell you something now is that once we have a breakout, we all know that once price is actually ranging within support and resistance level, and price tends to break out of it, we know that price will definitely come to test that level price broke out from. So this is a resistance level. Price has broken out of this resistance level. Definitely price will come to test this resistance level again before we continue to go bullish move. Now, are we going to have this retest for the next day? Well, definitely I don't think so. We will still have a bullish move as we are opening and closing bullish since this week on Monday. On the 14th, which is this Friday, we are expecting to also open and close bullish. The reason is that we would actually spot it on our JPY index. So this is the JPY index now. If you have to zoom it out, right, we'll start with the foot trend on JPY index. We are on a bearish move, so JPY index is dropping, right? You clearly can see it. If you notice that price has come to this level and it has once range, let's analyze it this way. So that price actually range within this level. So see, so price actually came to this level, we saw it bounce up, then broke below it, right? Came to test this level, drop again, test this level, drop again. You know that this price was failing to break this support level. So basically price was actually ranging within this level, right? Then of course price actually broke below it. We expect price to come up, then price came up, came close to this resistance level, it's broke below it, right? Once price broke below it, we saw this price actually rallied up. So we actually predicted that once price gets to this level, we would see a drop, right? And this was the day we actually did the analysis for, which is on the 12th. I think it was on the 12th we actually did the analysis, so you can go back to watch it on USDJPY. So now we've predicted this move that we will drop on JPY index. So once we have that drop on JPY index, then we would see a bullish move on our USDJPY. So it is what we've had Now the thing is that, is the JPY index drop over? Definitely not. We would want to see this drop to this same level here, to its lowest level, which is around here. We still have close to about um we still have close to about 80 to 100 let's say points or pips. I just don't know how to analyze it better. Maybe close to 100 points or pips, anyhow you want to call it. So as this JPY index is will continue to give us that bearish move to come to its lowest level here, we would continue to see that bullish move on our USDJPY. So definitely the next day, which is Friday, we will open and close bullish. Maybe on Monday when price markets opens again. Next week Monday when price open, then this USDJPY can come to test this support level. If not, we would actually see a bullish move, meaning for the next day, we should expect to actually open and close bullish as we've been doing for some days now. Take a look at this bullish movement here. Day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 7 days now, here we see a bullish move on USDJPY. So this next day, we should also see that bullish move. Since this JPY index will actually give us that bearish move, then we should see a bullish move on our USD JPY. So just watch out for it. We're very much likely to open and close bullish for the next day.